Starting around 21 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO by and large is exchanging at $4868 in term of its first rate with the value change of 21% in sort of most recent 1 hour amazingly. Polies for the most part has a complete market cap of $119.74,913 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $109.5,216, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. This in a real sense makes Star Atlas DAO Polies genuinely positioning at 4/24 in the digital currency market, which basically is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2024. What will Star Atlas DAO really be by and large worth in 2024 in a kind of huge manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a fundamentally wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, which for the most part is very critical? Will Polies cost explicitly outperform its unequaled certainly high in a by and large significant manner? These sort of are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future, which explicitly is very critical. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Polies cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of $6,086, the normal kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $58.60 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, Polies can arrive at a most extreme value level of $70.34, or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas DAO value figure walk 2024. In walk 2024, the in every way that really matters, most extreme cost for Star Atlas DAO could explicitly stretch around $48.94, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Polies in walk 2024 sort of is $4,304 with a truly normal cost of $4,758 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the very most extreme cost for Star Atlas DAO could really stretch around $31 in an especially large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Polies in April 2024 generally is $47.21 with a typical cost of $49.48 in a very significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure May 2024 the very normal cost of Star Atlas DAO Polies could sort of go to $5.47 toward the finish of May 2024, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Polies could sort of exchange around a sort of greatest worth of $379 with a truly least expected cost of $48.66, which especially shows that this generally makes Star Atlas DAO Polies really positioning at 4/24 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO value figure June 2024 the truly normal cost of Star Atlas DAO Polies could generally go to $5.98 toward the finish of June 2024. Showing how besides Polies can sort of arrive at a most extreme value level of $7.34 in a very significant manner. Polies could sort of exchange around a truly greatest worth of $5.81 with a truly least expected cost of $49.72, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense is supposed to generally be at around an essentially least of $5.76 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a truly limit of $58.41 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $302 in USD, showing how Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies cost is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $6,086, the normal especially least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to basically be settled on $58.60 in a kind of enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO Polies value estimate August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO basically is generally anticipated to basically arrive at an especially normal cost of $408, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $6,053 and a very least of $5,182, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture September 2024 the in every way that really matters normal cost of Star Atlas DAO Polies could commonly go to $5.70 toward the finish of September 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. Polies could especially be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.63 and 23 with a sort of least expected cost of $53 and 89, showing how might Polies cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking essentially high in a significant manner. Polies value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense is estimated to be at around an extremely least worth of $0.51612, which explicitly demonstrates the way that Star Atlas DAO cost can truly arrive at an all things considered limit of $5.841 with the typical cost of $5.302 in USD, showing how Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies value sort of is supposed to fundamentally cross a fundamentally normal value level of $6086, the normal especially least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be fellas and FIDE 1860 in a huge manner. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $65 and 46 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $793 in USD in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is estimate to by and large arrive at a kind of the least cost of $0.5 and 741, which sort of is very huge. The Polies cost could basically arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of $0.68 and 36 with a fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.509 and 67 in a genuinely enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO Polies value estimate December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO truly is in a real sense anticipated to especially arrive at a truly normal cost of $6086, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.70 and 34 and a very least of $0.5860, showing how Star Atlas DAO value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around a kind of least of $0.5076 in a truly significant manner. Star Atlas DAO certainly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 0.55% in its, especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the sort of current market cap of the Polies with yesterday's, you can all things considered see that the market cap truly is likewise down, essentially further appearance how besides Polies can truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.734, which by and large is very huge. Star Atlas DAO truly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO Polies value